Hey everybody, welcome to Phonics this week. This week our story is called The Sign Maker's Assistant. And so our spelling words this week are going to be associated with an AR sound. And I'll be showing that to you in just a few minutes. So don't forget to do the lesson Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then on Friday, we'll take our spelling test in the classroom. Please make sure you're doing 2 spelling games on Raz Kids each day. All right. Here's your spelling list. So all of these words right here have the R sound. So we have car, dark, arm, star, park, yard, party, hard, farm, start, part, spark, art, jar, carpet, apartment. The last 2 words are always your hardest, most difficult words to study. We'll take our spelling test on Friday, and I'll change this right here where it says Spelling Kid City because remember it's on Raz Kids now. And then don't forget to make sure and read your high frequency words every day. So one of the ways that you can study is to say the word R, then put your finger on it and spell it and look to see if you're right. Say dark, put your finger on it, spell it, and then look to see if it's right. And that's a way that you can study by yourself. All right, so if you see the AR, it's going to make that R sound. So let's look at some of these words. Now, what I did right here is I showed you. Now, the rule on this is you will have the AR in between 2 letters, and it's very, very tricky because if you hear that T, R, T, everybody wants to spell it TRT, but when you hear the R say its name, R, not the sound, you're going to have the AR in a word, and it's called an R-controlled pattern of 2 letters coming together, and one of them not talking at all, and one of them saying their name, okay? So he says R. All right, so let's look at some words now. All right, so that's the card that it's hanging on our wall in our classroom, and the AR makes an R sound. All right, so here we go. My turn first, and then please read them out loud with me. R, car, R, dark, R, arm, R, star, R, park. Okay, now you read them with me. Ready? Go. R, car, R, dark, R, arm, R, star, R, park. Okay, next line, my turn. R, yard, R, party, R, hard, R, farm. Now you read them with me. R, yard, R, party, R, hard, R, farm. So don't forget that rule. So if you're spelling and you're going, okay, I need to spell farm, R, always remember that if you hear that R sound, it's going to have the AR right there. Don't forget that vowel. It's real easy to do. Now let's look at them in sentences. And if you notice, I did the R word in hot pink. So my turn first. Did you see the car parked by the house? Okay, that's supposed to be an R, okay? So I will change it and then you'll be reading it correctly. So just remember that doesn't make any sense. The car packed by the house. So let's read it now. Ready? Did you see the car parked by the house? Next one, my turn. They have a big yard on their farm. Okay, you read it with me now. They have a big yard on their farm. The next one, my turn. He hit my arm really hard with the ball. Now you read it with me. He hit my arm really hard with the ball. And the last one, my turn. Now look at this. Oh, big word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 syllables. So I'd go maybe like this. Deck, or ate id. Decorated. Do you see how I do that real slow? Decorated. So you have to look how many vowels and then start playing with it. Well, if you did it here, it would be decorated. Well, that means I have to hook the C to make that vowel short. So I go decorated, decorated. So we decorated for the party yesterday. Now you read it with me. We decorated for the party yesterday. All right, so you need to go and do 2 Raz Kids games and make sure you're studying your list and reading it and not just laying it over to the side. Make sure you're studying because the test will be on Friday. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.